Baby? Hai sayang. Ngantuk? Nak tidur? Hmm? Mwah. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So, my room is a mess right now. This is the real keadaan. This is the situation right now in my room. I tak kemas from AJL punya, from AJL night tu I tak kemas lagi. And yeah, my room is a mess. But baby is here. And I woke up late and tak sempat. I don't have the time to kemas katil. And aduh, oh my god. So, see, my room is a mess right now. Kan baby? Baby tolong kemaskan bilik Kak Nisha boleh tak? So today I'm just gonna show you kalau I tak pergi event, kalau I tak ada apa I buat dengan hari I yang free. Baby kan baby pun comel sangat. But I'm so late. Tapi my cat is being so cute. Oh, comel. I don't wanna leave you, baby. I don't wanna leave you. Macam mana ni? Okay, so I just got back from class. And I tengah baring because I penat. My mom dah kemas katil I lah anak perempuan tak guna sebab mak kemaskan katil. I think I'm gonna kemas my makeup table and do some sweeping and vacuum sikit. And I plan at the end of the day, like after I dah like set all my chores, I need to reward myself by doing some online shopping. Okay, nak do some online shopping after I habis all these things. So tengok, kalau kita habiskan in one day, I tak online shopping. Yuk, jom, I nak. Sekejap, I rasa mama baru masak. I smell food. Should I eat first or should I kemas bilik? You know what, I should kemas bilik. Yeah, I should kemas bilik. Okay. So, ayuh kita kemas sekarang. Malasnya, I malas. Period. You know what? I deserve a lunch break. I nak makan jap. I'm gonna vacuum. Philips, easy go. Okay, one orange. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna put everything inside here. Sebab kahwin malas. I'm just gonna put everything inside here. Okay, so sekarang I dah mandi. So tadi I dah kemas bilik, I dah busuk, dah berpeluh. So okay, I dah mandi semua lah kan. And sekarang ni I nak do some online shopping sebab I rasa I deserve it. Because I dah kemas bilik I, okay. I deserve a shopping break, okay. So if you have seen my previous video, I think like a while back, 2 years or last year, I'm not sure. But I always macam like, I pernah kasih tips kan, macam kalau online shopping always find a discount code, macam you know, like macam jangan like you jumpa something online and terus beli, like always find a way to kurangkan harga dia. So I always gonna shop bag. So you just type in shop bag and log in. Oh my god, yeah. You can, sorry. But also, there is still dust dekat bilik I ni. Kita akan vacuum sikit lagi kot. Yeah. Anyways, you can sign up using the link down below dekat description box. I akan letak. And if you guna like the link down below untuk sign up, you akan dapat RM10 bonus cashback. You akan dapat RM5 time you register. And another RM5 bila you make your first purchase online. Okay, so like total RM10 lah you dapat balik. And that's a lot, okay, that's a lot. Okay, so dekat Shopback ni you ada banyak gila, like kedai ada Lazada, ada Zalora, and I think like ada Sephora juga, okay. You know, I nak food panda because I'm hungry right now. And I nak keluar lunch later kan. But tak apa, ni like, this is like a pre-lunch, pre-meal. Okay, so sekarang ada masuk food panda. And I tak tahu nak makan apa. What should I eat? Subway is a much more healthier option. I nak Subway, okay, because sihat. Okay, so just like order macam biasa. And you're done. So within 48 hours, you will receive an email from Shopback kata yang macam like, okay, like duit dah masuk dah dalam you punya account. So my order has been received. Oh my, cannot wait to makan. Okay, so basically Shopback ni is something like you beli something online and you dapat cashback. That's why Shopback dapat cashback, like cashback to you. Okay, so for example, a few days ago, I think like last week, right? Yeah, last week, I ordered this book here, Perfect Blue, from Kinokuniya through Shopback, and let me show you apa I dapat. 13 February, I ordered from Kinokuniya, and I dapat cashback of 95 cents. Okay, and then I dapat shop perks for RM5, and then I ordered from Lazada, I dapat 44 cents, and total amount tu, I dapat over RM6. So if the more you shop, like the more cash you dapat balik. I rasa you pernah tengok kot dekat Twitter, like there's this one girl buat thread, like she got like 1,000 worth of cashback just from online shopping. That's how you use Shopback basically, and I cannot wait to get my Subway. So yeah, again I remind you, if you not sign up, use the link down below dekat my description box, because you will get RM10 bonus cashback. And apa lagi dapat? And also jangan lupa yang campaign, like birthday campaign yang apa, Shopback turns 3 tu, because at that time nanti akan banyak gila offers and promotions yang ada from like, you know, like different brands yang partner dengan Shopback. Tak salah I macam like there's a birthday giveaway thing going on, where if you're the winner, if you win lah, Shopback will sponsor you punya shopping spree up to RM10,000. Okay, if you menang lah. So yeah, that's that. I think tu je lah kot. Sekarang I just nak tunggu my Subway datang, nak makan and do a little dusting because tadi I bersin. And apa lagi nak buat? Then I want to go out later to eat some more. Okay, hidup I online and makan je. Okay, this is what I do every day, guys. Online and eat. Let me know if you like this kind of video where I do like random things like this, like, you know, macam I kemas bilik and do stuff like what I usually do at home. And yeah, if you like this kind of video, give this a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, love you.